Ricardo juice bar channel. Anyway, guys, this one is a lovely one. This one is just some strawberry where you can make and bring it to work. And you know what I mean, instead of you drinking something different, you've been drinking something healthy to go in the immune system. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do this one. It's a very quick and simple recipe. So please stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and watch this video before you go to work this morning. Thank you for watching. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I have some strawberry and some blueberry, which I'm going to which I cut up already. I'm just gonna put them straight inside of my blender, like this. Alright. Just gonna put a little bit of water, not much. So a little bit of water because, you know. And nextly, what we're going to do is put roughly a teaspoon of honey inside of it. You can use organic honey, which is even better. That is lovely and nice. Nextly, what we're going to do, it's so easy, guys. Just put on a cup lid and we're just gonna be blending this for about 2 to 3 seconds. Lovely and nice. Once you have a good blender, honestly, you don't need to worry yourself. Yeah, is a good blender is the most important part of the whole thing. All right, guys. So now, what I'm going to do, you don't need any lemon or anything inside of it. You just want to make a nice, lovely shake like this to bring to work. All right, guys. Yeah, looking lovely and nice. And then simple. Yeah, pour it into this. And during work, you know what I mean, you just bring this to work with you and drink it. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave your comments. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Nice and lovely, healthy strawberry smoothie to bring to work to have it, guys. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.